Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy and I make weekly videos helping you to become a better developer through the use of software tools. In this video, we're going to be going over my top 10 VS Code extension picks for 2023. I tried to pick extensions that are relevant no matter what programming language you are using so that everyone can get the most value from this video. Alright, let's get started. The first extension is called Live Server, and it has over 33 million installs. This extension allows you to open up a web project and then right-click on an HTML file and click Open with Live Server. The extension will then serve up your HTML file in a real web server. The second extension is called Prettier, and it has over 31 million installs. The Prettier extension allows you to right-click in a document and click Format Document. And then it formats that document based on the rules that you have set using Prettier. You can also set up a Prettier configuration file that allows you to set up custom rules for how you want to format your document. The third extension is called GitLens. It has over 22 million installs. The GitLens extension adds a ton of Git features to VS Code, such as file history, blame information, and many other things that you can enable in the settings. The fourth extension is called Bookmarks, and it has 2.7 million installs. The Bookmarks extension allows you to mark lines in your code and then jump to them. So for example, if I wanted to bookmark this line, I would hit Option Command K to bookmark it, and then I come to another file and I want to bookmark this line, Option Command K. I can come over to the Bookmarks extension and see both of my bookmarks. I can now click on those lines and jump back and forth between those. The fifth extension is called Code Spell Checker, and it has 6 million installs. This extension looks through your code to find misspelled words while reducing the false positives that come with spell checking code. So in this example, we can see that person is misspelled here, and if I hover over it and click Quick Fix, I can get suggested words. And here is person. Also, slogan is misspelled, and there it is. The sixth extension is called Better Comments, and it comes in at 4.7 million installs. This extension allows you to annotate your comments in your code. So for example, we can see here that we have a normal comment, and then we have an important comment, and then we have our to-do. Also, you can see that this comment that commented out a line of code has a strike through to indicate that that code is no longer needed. The seventh extension is called Live Share, and it comes in with over 12 million installs. The Live Share extension allows you to create a real-time collaboration environment in VS Code. So to see how that works, we can come over in our code, click on the Live Share icon here, and click Share. We can see here that an invitation link has been copied to the clipboard. So let's see what that looks like. And then all we do is send this link to the person we want to collaborate with. When that person joins, you can see that you have a participant here, and then you both can collaborate within VS Code. The eighth extension is a little less popular at just under 500,000 installs, but I find it to be quite useful. It's called Batch Rename. The Batch Rename extension allows you to select multiple files and then right-click and select Batch Rename. You can then rename multiple files at once. The ninth extension is called Paste JSON as Code. It has 1.6 million installs. This extension allows you to select and copy a bunch of JSON data and then open the command palette and choose Paste as Code, and then choose a top level name, so in this case cats, and we can see that it pastes a TypeScript interface for the structure of that data. This extension has saved me tons of time. The last extension is called Code Runner, and it has over 18 million installs. Code Runner allows you to select code in your documents and then right click and select Run Code. Then, as you can see, only the code that was selected is run. If you have a plugin that you think should have made this list, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear about it. If you found this content helpful, please click the like button so that others can find it more easily. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss a video when they come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.